I hope everyone has joined. We'll again revise. It is very important in our homeopathic understanding about the rows. Row 1 deals with conception and the existence. Seen of row 2 being solved with this understanding. Now, this understanding is very important for the patient's understanding. And row 3 is identity and nourishment. Row 4 is security and task. And row 5 is creativity and performance. And row 6 is the responsibility. And row 7 is high sense of duty and responsibility with disintegration and destruction. So, 3 days back, I had a case of uranium where the person was not having a good appetite with emaciation. We saw ammonium carb, colocin, and uranium. The uranium nitricum 200 was given to the patient, and he came from Godra. Let's see the follow-up. I'll show you the follow-up within few days, and things go well with the uranium. And that symptom of listening bhajans was also there. And another element in row 7 is plutonium. So there are cases of plutonium and uranium which we are not using it. So uraniums are even like lycopodiums with lot of gases. So gases like with emaciation, colocin, ammonium carb, and uranium nitricum. So we have this. And now very important is the understanding of row 5 is performance and creativity. Facing the new, this is very adventure for them to create and to perform and to achieve, to be admired. If a person wants to be admired, has to do a lot of performance is the understanding of row 5. The need of appreciation and sensitive to criticism. They deal with appearance, adventure, teaching, guiding, learning, technique or skill, and dexterity. Dexterity means skill with hands. This is the real essence of row 5. So remember, dear children and my colleague, this is very important understanding of row 5. Little theoretical, I'm sorry, but it is so important to understand. And now we learn rubidium. So in rubidium, we lack capability of doing something new and creating and performing. That is the essence of rubidium. Then we comes to strontium. We have to go out and do something new, creative, and to perform. And we need a guide to face the difficulty. This is very important of strontium proving. So this is the strontium. We had done strontium car. Now in atrium, can I go into something new? Can I learn? Can I create? This is important of column 3. They don't know which way to go. This is important of column 3. Those elements which are in the column 3 will have little confusion in taking decision. So in zirconium, we'll start to go into something new or to create something new, but they are very unsure of their ability. Now this unsurety comes at the level of column 4. Now column 4 is unsure and there is the doubt in column 3 and need of guidance in column 2 and lack of capability in column 1. So lack comes in 1, guides comes in 2, and can comes can I comes in the column 3 and unsure is column 5. So niobium alternate doubts and doing something. So alternating phase that comes in the column 5, and this is important of column 5. Then we move to column 6. They have to prove. Now this proving comes in column 6. अपने आप को प्रूव करना, अपनी एबिलिटी को प्रूव करना is important of molybdenum, because molybdenum is good medicine for many blood disorders and bone problems. So have to prove and to challenge to do something new, to learn and to create and to perform. This is important of column 6. And then we move to column 7 where the no comes. I know I can. I know I can comes in the column 7. मुझे पता है और मैं कर सकता हूँ. But the question is how much I can do. This is very important of column 7. Right? Then come to column 8. Now column 8 will give you a lot of perseverance. Perseverance means to continue what you are doing it. This is important of column 8. In column 9 is to create complete. Is my create complete or perfect? So there is little doubt which is coming up before 10. So 10 is the carbon where we have palladium. Now in palladium, I am successful in doing something. So success comes at the level of 10. The peak of the periodic table is 10, where the peak comes. 10 is the pinnacle of the success. So success comes at the level of column 10. Then now column 11 where the silver is. I will be appreciated only if I perform in order to appreciate and maintain the position of success. Very, very important of silver line. The column 11. I must keep the standard in every creative venture or performance. This is the essence of column 11. We'll get this common in column 11. This is the essence. Now there is one interesting element, cadmium. So in the proving of cadmium, Dr. Jayesh Shah, I remember it is written in structure book. There was problem with phone wiring. So this was the proving problem which came when he was proving cadmium. So cadmium had this problem of with Dr. Jayesh Shah's proving. So this is important. The element cadmium. Just a second. Now the cadmium is there is talent and creative and performance, but there is constant threat. Now in 12 the threat comes and alert to maintain. The alertness comes at the level of 10th, right? This is important of 12th to maintain many successful effort. Now comes the indium where the column is 13. In the column indium, the failure as a creative person. The failure comes the level of column 13 where the person starts feeling as if he has failed. Then comes the sternum, which is the essence of column 14, where the creativity has suffered. Where the creativity has suffered, this is a very important part of sternum. And the weakness comes, where the weakness of the chest muscle comes, where is the indication of sternum as well as we see in silver also. Then comes the column 15. The column 15, there is losing of the ability. मेरे से ये सब चीज नहीं होगा और मैं lose कर रहा हूँ. Where the antimony comes, the lovesick person of antimony, that is antimony crudum. Then comes the tellurium. In Phatak, if you open Phatak Materia Medica, you can see there is forgetfulness in tellurium. So in cases of tellurium, you will see forgetfulness and the loss of the capacity. मुझे अभी capacity मेरे में नहीं रही है, and there is no hope of recovery. In many cancer cases, we should think about tellurium also, which we are not using it. Now then comes the iodine, because iodine is used for many thyroid cases and we are seeing many thyroid cases also. So we should know this feeling. Completely alone and unguided is very, very important of iodine. Alone and unguided in a new situation. If a person goes to a new company, a new place like Mumbai, he comes from the village, this is very important. The new situation is dangerous. This is important of the iodine and being betrayed. ये याद रखना iodine का. Betrayal feeling is very, very, very important of iodine. And backstabbing. मैंने उसके साथ business partner था and this partner did backstabbing. So in one of my cases of mock iode Ruber, there was this feeling of backstabbing. Backstabbing is important in iodine cases. You will get it definitely. Then comes the xenon. There is content. Content comes with xenon because of the noble gases. Content is the essence of the noble gases. So you see a lot of contentment, but with little guidance is also there in xenon and noble gases. So this was in short the columns, and now we'll move to the essence of silver metallicum. It is the remedy on the left-sided remedy like lachesis. So in cases of left-sided, think about silver before giving lachesis. So always lachesis left side remedy we prescribe, but there is also a remedy argentum metal can even puja comes there. And what is adaptability of metal silver? They are very tall, like Calcarea phos, thin, irritable, eyes hollow, and pale skin, which is very important in many of the argentum metallicum cases. Remember this. Now, very important of tendency for caries, ulcer, and cancer that we see in silver metal. So many cases of cancer can be thought of silver cases also. So don't forget. And the affinity for cartilage, bone, cartilage, joints, and the bones. Very important of argentum metallicum. Then comes the role of the muscle, especially the calf muscle, and become feeling of shortness when going downstairs. This is very important again. And the role of mucous membrane in the affinity part of the silver. Very, very important of silver again. Now comes the urinary organ that we have seen in Materia Medica Pura by Dr. Honeyman. Honeyman in Puring has this frequent urination with dry mouth, hunger after full meals, and thirst and ankle makes the remedy for diabetes. This is very important. It is also given in Murphy in the end and our proving by Dr. Honeyman also. So remember frequent urination in argentum metallicum case. Now it is my own adding, the adding of Bhagavad Gita. So lot of loss of control over intellect. Arjun Vishad Yog, the chapter 1 of our Bhagavad Gita. So loss of control over intellect is the essence of the metal, the silver, to perform. So performance by Arjuna and guidance by Lord Krishna. So intellect is the important part of the silver metal. Intellect is being disturbed by silver. And what Dr. Kent said, will, emotion, intellect, and memory, where the Kent's repertory is the structure or the philosophy behind the Kent's repertory. This is important. You can see this intellect at the frontal lobe. This is the intellect, right? This is very important again. Then the affinity of larynx, as you know, is very important of silver. And then comes the Allen's to Mars, and arsenic is famous for asthma on laughing. So this is coughing on laughing. Think about this remedy, and it is given in Allen's keynote. Right? So we move further, and the right testes and left ovary. This is the most peculiar part. Is the important of the metal silver. And then comes the palpitation on lying down, and in the heart is very important of the silver metal. Then the weak chest similar to sternum, DD with sternum. Paralysis from overexertion is also the essence of the metal. Then comes the cancer part of cervix and uterus. We have prolapse and with offensive leukorrhea like Kali-as and Kali-Foss. And the discharge sometimes in so diabetes with sugar complete my PPT. You can read from Alan and I request Nitin to read. Nitin, where are you? So read from the Allen's keynote.
Pure silver. Tall, thin, irritable persons, ailments from abuse of mercury, constitutional effects of onanism, affects the cartilages, tarsal, ears, nose, eustachian, the structure entering the joints. Seminal emissions after onanism almost every night without erection with atrophy of penis. Crushed pain in the testicles like rhododendron. Prolapsus with pain in the left ovary and back. Extending forward and downward. If there is a right ovary, it is pallidum. Climacteric hemorrhage. Exhausting fluent coryza with sneezing. Hoarseness of professional singers, public speakers, like Illumina, Aram triphyllum. Total loss of the voice with professional singers. Throat and larynx feels raw and sore on swallowing or coughing. Laughing excites cough, as in the Drosera, phosphorus and sternum, and produces profuse mucus in the larynx. When reading aloud, has to lean to hem and hawk, cough with easy expectoration of gelatinous, viscid mucus looking like boiled starch. Great weakness of the chest, like sternum, worse on the left side. Alteration in the timbre of voice with singers and public speakers, like Aram triphyllum. Raw spot over bifurcation of trachea, worse when using the voice, talking or singing. Relation follows well after Illumina, similar to sternum in the cough, excited by laughing. Aggravation from riding in a carriage, like cocculus, when touched, pressed upon, talking, singing, reading aloud.
Now we'll read just Fatak few and we'll call off for the day. And Nitin, generalities Fatak, Argenta Metallica.
Argenta metallica, the nerves, cosmotic. It acts upon the joint, bones, ligaments, or tenacious, or like boiled cartilages, tarsi, larynx, slow lingering about progressing, violent, pains and tender. It is adapted to tall, thin, irritable people. Exhaustosis of the skull, ill effects of onanism and sunstroke, sore rawness, lies down on account of time, carries.
Fine. So it's almost 8 o'clock. We'll call off for the day. And thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.